Good morning, student. Today we will start our next topic, and here we will start page number 15. On page number 15, given one task. What is the task? Match the column. So we have to given two column. In first column questions are there, and second one answers are there. From second one we have to find out answer, and we write our answer here. So what is the first question? So student, first question is 5 in 1,000 place. So we will give here places. So what is the places? This is the ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1,000 place. So 5 in 1,000 place. We will see here in which number 5 is a 1,000 place. This is the 1,000 place. Here 5 is there? No. Here is there? No. Here is there? No. Yes, here is the 5 on 1,000 place. So we will write this is our answer, and we write this answer in front of it. So answer is 5,621. See, 5 in 1,000 place. Yes, here 5 is on 1,000 place. Now we see next question. 8 in a tens place. Where is 8 in a tens place? Which one is a tens place? This is the tens place. Here 8 is there? No. Here is there? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Yes, it is there. Here 8 is on a tens place. So what is our answer? 3,982. Now next question. 1 in 1,000 place. So we want 1,000 place. One number. So 1,000 place, where is the 1? Yes, here only. So our answer is 1,342. So we write answer here 1,342. Now next question. What is the next question? 0 in tens place. So where is the 0 in tens place? Firstly, which one is the tens place? So here tens place is this one. So what is our answer? Which one is our answer? We see 0 we want. 0 is there? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here also 0 is not there. Here also 0 is there? No. Here is there? No. But yes, this is our answer. Here 0 is on a tens place. So this is our answer. And what is the answer? 2,602. Here 0 in tens place. Now next one. What is the next one? 7 in 100 place. What we want? We want 7 on a 100 place. This is the 100 place. And which one is the answer? Here 7 is there? No. Here is there? Yes. This is our answer. And answer is 9,762. Now next question. 6 in ones place. We want 6 on a ones place. This is the ones place. So where is the 6 ones place? Here is 6 is there? No. Here 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. Here 6 is there. So this is our answer. So what is our answer? 6 in ones place. We write in front of it 2,276. This is the answer. Now 8 in thousands place. What is the next question? 8 in 1,000 place. So where is the 8 in 1,000 place? So this is the thousands column. Here is there? No. Here is there? No. We want 8. Here is there? No. Here also not. Yes. Here is the 8. So that is our answer. What is the answer? 8,248. Now we see next one. 3 in ones place. So where is the 3 in ones place? This is the ones place. Here 3 is there? No. Here 2 is there. 6 is there. 1 is there. 8 is there. 2 is there. 0 is there. 2 is there. And this is the 3 in ones place. And what we want? We want 3 in ones place. So that is our answer. 4,273. Now next one. What is the next one? 4 in 100 place. So where is the 4 in 100 place? See, here 4 is in which place? 1,000 place. We want in 100 place. Here, no. Yes, here is the 4 in on 100 place. So we write that is our answer. What is the answer? 7,410. Okay, student. So this is the answer. and this one you have to complete in your notebook. So this one complete in your notebook neat and cleanly. Write answer like this. Don't match it. Okay student. Now we will move forward to our next topic. Write the place value of underlying digit. So what is the questions? So firstly we write question. What is the first question? 6987. Here which digit underline? Here underline 9. So here what is the place value of this underlined digit? See, ones, tens and 100. So what is the place value of it? Place value of it is a 900. Next one. What is the next one? 2076. So here which digit underline? Here zero is underlined. So where here 0. What is the place value of 0? See, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So it is on a 100 place. But when 0 is there, it is on any place. Their place value is also 0. Now next one. What is the next question? 3842. So here underline 4. So 4 it is on a which place? It is on a tens place, because this 2 is on ones place, 4 is on a tens place. So what is the place value of it? Place value of it is a 40. Next one. Next question. 3457. Here underline 7. So here 7 it is on which place? It is on a ones place. So what is the value? Value is 7. Next question, fifth one. What question is given? 5231. Here 5 is underlined. Now see, here 5 it is on which place? It is on a thousands place. So what is the value of value of this 5000? 5 is 5000. Now next one. Next question, 8670. Here 6 is underlined. So 6 is underlined. It is on which place? It is on a 100 place. So what is the place value of it? 600. Next one is 7. So what is 7 question? 5012. So 1 is underlined here. So 1 it is on which place? This is the ones place and this is the tens place. So here answer is 10. Now we see next one. 8. What is the 8th question? 4576. 4 is underlined here. So here 4 it is on which place? See, this one is a ones place, tens place, this is a 100 place and this one is a 1000 place. So here place value is 4000. Now we see our next question. Question is 3536 and here underline 3. So here also what is the place value of this 3? Place value of this 3 is 3000. Next one, 6930 and here 0 is underlined. So student, here only I explain you when 0 it is on any place. It is on ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, anywhere. The place value of 0 is always 0. So your answer is a 0. Next is a 8687 and here underline 6. So what is the place value of this 6? This is a ones place, tens place and this one is a 100 place. So your place value is 600. Now last question. So last question is 7874 and here underline 7. So now see, this 7 it is on which place? We will see ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. So what is the place value of it? Place value of it is 7000. Okay student. So this one is this question solved. Now we will see our next question. So in this question, so student, this question also you have to complete in your textbook. This is the same task, task 3. This one is the question number A. Now we will see question number B. In question number A, we see place value. Now question number B, we see write the face value of each digit. Okay student, in previous we see place value. Place value is depend upon the place of that digit, which place that occupied by that digit, and here is the face value, and face value is the as it is, means whatever that digit, that itself only, that is the face value. So first question, 9204. So here we have to write the face value of each digit. So we will make here box. So face value of this 4, then 0, then this 9, and then this 2. So face value of 4 is a 4, means whatever that value, whatever that digit, that is only face value of that digit. Now face value of 0, it is a 0 only. Then face value of 2, it is 2, and face value of 9, it is the 9. Okay student, you understand this? Same way we have to solve our next question. So second one is, again we will make column. We make a 4 column because 4 digit number is there. So number is 6229. Firstly we write the face value of 9. We make a boxes here. So face value of 9 is the same, that is the 9. Face value of this 2 is a 2. After this 2, which number is there? Which digit it is? It is a 2. And what is the face value of this 2? It is also 2. And this 6, 6. After that, we see our next question. So that is the third one. What is the question? Here also we make column. Column. 4 column we will make here because 4 digit number is there. So number is 3348. So we see the face value of each digit. So student, what is the face value of this 8? It is a 8. Face value of 4, 4 only. Next, face value of this 3, it is 3. And last 1000 place 3 is remaining. That is also face value same, that is the 3. Now we see our last question. Question number 4. Here also we will make 4 columns because 4 digit number is there. So our number is 8679. So we will make 4 boxes for each place, each digit face value. So first, which number is on a first place? That is a ones place, that is a 9. Face value of 9 is a 9. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 6, it is a 6. And face value of this one 8 is a 8. Okay student, so I hope you understand this one. So student, this one also you have to complete in your notebook. Don't make khichdi, do it properly. Use pencil and scale. Draw this column properly, draw these arrows, these boxes properly, and then complete this question in your notebook. Next topic, and that is the page number 17. What is there? It is a revise. Means whatever we teach before that everything is here. So we will revise all question. So your first question. What is question number A? Represent each number on abacus. Represent each number on abacus. Student, ANO means number. It is a number. So, first question. What is the first one? 7248. Student, when you are solving your questions, sums, that time when numbers are there, each time you say this number loudly. It means you understand how to read this number. So, whenever you are writing number, that time you have to read this number and read this number loudly. So now we have to see this, show this number on abacus. What is this? This is the abacus. We see in a before period. So first one, firstly we give here places. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. So on 1000 place, how many which number is there? Number is 7. So show here 7 number, 7 bits. And see, if you are confused, then here also upside also write places. Ones, tens, 100, and 1000. So first one 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next one 2. 1 and 2. Next, which number it is? 4. So how many bits we have to show here? Here we will show 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And last one 8. Ones place 8 bits are there. So show here 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we see our next question. Question number 2. What is it? 6309. Show your abacus. Draw it. Okay. So ones place, tens place, 100 place, and this is a 1000 place. Downside also give places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So start from 1000 place. First one, how many bits are there? 6. Show here 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. See now, tens place. Which digit is there? Which number is there? 0. So we have to show any bit here? No. So now we see next one. What is the next? Ones. And how many bits are there on ones place? That is the 9. So we will show here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9. So here we show how many bits? Here 9 bits are there. Now we see next question. That is the third one. And student, what is that number? So number is 2483. Okay. So here also we show abacus. So the 2. Firstly we give places. Ones, tens, 100, and 1000. So 1000 place. Which number is there? That is the 2. 1, 2. 100 place, 4 place. 100 place, 4 number is there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next one, tens place. Which number is there? 8. So here we show 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now finally which number is remaining? Ones place, and that is the 3. So here ones place we show 3 bits. 1, 2 and 3. Okay student. Now we see next one. What is the next? 6398. Here also we show abacus. So downside we show places, that is the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So thousand place, which number is there? That number is 6. We show here 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hundred place 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. Tens place 9 is there. So show on tens place 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And last ones place 8 bits are there. So here we show 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay student. So here 6 sums are there. 4 I solve. Remaining you solve by yourself in your notebook or in textbook. So student, after that we see our next question. So our next question, that is the question number B. And what is that question? You read from your book. So that question is, write the number names. Question number B. Write the number names. So we see in this one also in before period. What is that? Write the number names. Means whatever number is there, that number we have to write in a word. So first one, that question is 3264. We write this one in a number name. We write number name of this numeral. So what is the number? 3000 200 64. Okay student, so this is the number name of this number. Student, if you are confused, so upside write their places ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then you can easily write this one. Now we see next question. So what is the next question? 8293. So it is on a thousand place. So what is this number? Read this number. And whatever you are reading, that same only you have to write as a number name. 8000. 8000. 8000. Then 200. 293. Okay student, now we see next question. What is the next? Student, what is this number? See, this is the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So how to read this number? 7000, because 100 place not anything is not there, tens place also and ones place also. So what is this number? This number is 7000. So write here 7,000. Now fourth one. What is the question? Write 2196. So we write this one in a number name 2, and whenever you are writing this number name, first letter always write in capital. Don't write this one in a small letter. Always write in a capital letter. So start 2,000 196. Now we see last one. What is it? This is the 2000 109. Okay, student. So here we completed question number B. Now we see question number C. So student, what is our question number C? So question number C is write the following figures. Yes, means in question number B what we write? We write number name. But in question number C, they given number name. From that number name we have to write number or numeral. Question number C, write the following figure. So student, don't confuse here because of this figure. Figure means number or numeral. So first one, what is it? 7,105. So what is the question? This is the question, and now we have to write answer. So what is the answer? Firstly we write places, then it is easy, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. See, thousand place, which number is there? 7. So write here 7. 100 means 100 place, which number is there? 1. Write here 1. See, it is given directly 5 and it is a 4-digit number. So this 5 it will become on a ones place. And here nothing is there. It means what is here? 0. Okay. So this is the number. What is number? 7,105. And see, read this number. 7,105. Both are a same. Now second one. 2,512. 2,512. So here also we do same thing. We write firstly places. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So see, thousand place. What is there? 2. 2,000 means this 2 it is on a thousand place. So write here 2. Next one. What is the next one? 100. So this 5 it is on a 100 place. So write on a 100 place 5. See 12 means here 1 is on a tens place and 2 is on a ones place. So what is the number? 2512. Same here, 2512. Okay, student. Now see next one. Third, 8030. So students, see, here also we give places: ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. So what is here? 8000 means this 8, it is on a 1000 place. So 8 on a 1000 place. What is here? 30. 30, what is the 30? 30, 30. So 100 place, anything is there? No. So give here 0 on 100 place, and 30 it is on a tens and ones place. Okay, this is the 8030. Now fourth one, 3500. 3500. So what is the question? Firstly we give here place, that is the 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. So on 1000 place, which number is there? That number is 3. So write here 3. 100 place, what is 100 place? 5. And tens and ones place, what they say? 500. After that anything is there? No. So means 5 and 100. We give here 0, 0. So what is the number? 3500. Here also 3500. Both are same. Now we see our last question. 4000. 4200. So student, this question and this question both are same only. Here also 4200 means like this only. So what is it? 4300. So this is the number 4200. So here is a 200, not a 300. Okay student, I hope you understand this. So here we solve, today we solve from revise 1 question number A, B and C. So question number D you can solve yourself. So now I give you your homework. So this is your maths homework. And what is your maths homework? Complete page number 17 in textbook. What is it? It is now which one we solve now? Question revise. That is only so this revise you have to complete in page number in your textbook. That is the page number 17. So student, you solve this question neat, clean and properly, and your textbook use pencil only. So student, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.